These animated videos are created for free using single images. Yes, from just one image, you can create lip-synced scenes with multiple voices, just like a cartoon movie. Today I'll show you step-by-step how to generate character images, assign voices to each character, write dialogue, and create the animation. After watching this video, you'll be able to create your own animated videos and you don't need any animation skills to do it. If faceless content excites you, give this video a like so YouTube shows you more content like this. Let's get started. Before we start the animation, let's first take a look at how to create images. We'll prepare an image using the prompt you see here. Our prompt is structured like this. Generate a 3D Pixar-style animated couple, enjoying a beach picnic at sunset, sitting barefoot on a cozy blanket. The lean tan man has surfer hair and casual beachwear. The woman in a floral dress and sun hat has mocha skin and curly hair. They smile warmly, sharing watermelon from a basket, surrounded by fruit and lemonade. The golden sun sets over shimmering waves, with seagulls and swaying palms completing the dreamy summer scene. Soft cinematic lighting, textured sand, and detailed expressions. We want ChatGPT to generate an image with these details, an image that will later turn into an animation. As you can see, our image is ready, just the way we wanted, in Pixar style, with the couple in the frame and the scenery we desired. I'll generate a few more images like this using similar prompts. You can also take the prompt I used, modify it, and create new images that suit your creativity. Here are the other images I generated with ChatGPT for this exercise. I downloaded all of them to my computer after generating them so I can use them in the next steps. Now we will tag the characters in the image. For this, we open the Lemon Slice app in our browser. After logging in, we go to the Conversations section and upload the images we generated in the previous step. Of course, there is also an AI here that can generate images if you want, but since we've already created ours in the last step, I'm uploading them directly. Once the upload is complete, I select the image. After selecting it, you'll see two character tags appear on the image. I use these to select the faces of the characters, labeling them as Character 1 and Character 2. One important thing to note here, the selections must not overlap. Otherwise, you'll get a warning. So make sure the faces you select for the characters don't clash. This is critical for the animation we will create to run smoothly. After selecting the characters, now we'll choose voices for them. I click on the voice section below and select a voice from the list. For the male character, which is Character 1, I choose a young British voice with a calm tone that fits the romantic setting. Then I make a selection for Character 2. While browsing the voices for Character 2, I found that a young American voice with a similarly calm tone that would suit the scene best, so I choose that. In this way, I assigned voices to the characters I previously tagged. Yes, now we've come to the most fun part. We're going to write a dialogue for the characters and turn it into an animation. For this first scene we prepared, I wrote a very short romantic dialogue where the characters flirt sweetly with each other. First, I select Character 1 and write his line. Then I write a response for Character 2. Finally, I add one more line for the male character. After writing these, a preview is generated below, and we can listen to the dialogue before producing the animation. This way, if the dialogue isn't good, we don't waste credits generating it. When I listened to it, the dialogue sounded sweet and romantic, so I went ahead and started the generation. The animation was ready in about 1 or 2 minutes. Let's check it out together.
You're breathtaking, you know that, right?
And your trouble.
Only if loving you counts.
As you can see, it turned out quite sweet. Mouth movements are all in sync and smooth, and even the eyes have little expressive movements. It's really enjoyable to see it come to life as an animation. Now let's do another example. This time, I upload the second image I created, of two young friends. I select the characters just like in the previous image, but this time I assign slightly younger voices. Then I write their dialogue and preview it. Once I approve it, I start the generation again. Lemon Slice prepares it within a short time.
Your laugh's my favorite sound.
Then make me laugh forever.
Challenge accepted.
As you can see, when you choose the right voices and write a good dialogue, these styled images come to life beautifully. By the way, I should mention that these generations are done using the free credits provided by Lemon Slice. You'll also get free credits when you sign up. Now let's step things up a bit and do this with an image that has 3 characters. I start by adding the third character below and carefully selecting all 3 characters. After assigning voices to each of them, I write a dialogue for the 3 characters. Once I preview the dialogue, I move on to generation to see how a 3-character animation will look.
You're growing up way too fast.
She gets it from you.
I get snacks from both.
As you can see, it turned out very clean. None of the characters overlap, and the animation brings the image to life in a very sweet way. Finally, I'll show an example with 4 characters. Again, after completing the steps, I start the generation and check the result.
Who finished the chips?
Don't look at me.
I was guarding the soda.
Snack thief alert!
It flows very nicely, and as you can see, it's super easy and fun to create. You can do this with any image you want. It doesn't have to be in Pixar style. It could be anime, cartoon, or even a realistic image. By adding dialogues like this, you can bring them to life. As a bonus chapter, I'll show you how to animate a solo image, a portrait. For this, we go to the studio section and select an image. Again, this can be any type of image you want. I previously created an avatar host as an animation, and I will use him here. And here there's a section where you can add speech to it. You can add speech directly, paste it as text, add music, or even record your own voice here. In my case, I'll upload an audio file I had prepared earlier. On the far right, there are some simple settings. I leave all the default settings as they are and start the generation. Let's see how it turned out.
Hello everyone. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It's like a high five to me.
As you can see, the lip sync and body movements are generated very smoothly, bringing the avatar to life beautifully. You can use this feature when you're preparing a faceless content and want to animate your avatar. This tool is perfect for that. Remember that single images we started with? Now you know how to make them speak and move, just like movie scenes. We began by generating Pixar-style images, then tagged each character, selected fitting voices, wrote engaging dialogues, and finally transformed everything into smooth, animated scenes, bringing static images to life with personality, motion, and emotion, without any animation skills, just with imagination. By the way, Lemon Slice gives you free credits each month. You can use them, and even sign in with multiple emails to experiment with the tool for free. Now that you know the tool and the process, it's your turn to bring your imagination to life. It could be a personal message, a kid's story, or even a brand ad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. More AI tools and workflows are on the way. And feel free to comment if there's a tool or process you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.